Hey there, my friends, and today we're going to discuss. This is a continuation of my previous video about the switch statement. So, as you can see, we have this file in my previous video, right? I did not delete it because we're going to discuss more about switch. So there can be multiple cases with unique labels. The optional default, this one. The optional default case is executed when no other matches are made. So again, if all of these cases didn't match or not, or the information could not be found on these cases, then the default will be displayed. So if no matches for all of these cases, this will be printed out. And I want to put a little emphasis for the break. So the break statement is needed in each case to branch to the end of the switch statement. So again, if you want to end the program right after it finds it matches or it finds the correct information, then you need to put the break statement. So without the break statement, program execution falls through to the next case statement. This can be useful when the same statement is needed for several cases. So if you want, let me just comment this out since we're done with this. And I have here an example, a little representation of other methods that we can use with switch. So consider this following example, the switch statement. So we have case 1, case 2, and case 3, and then so it will going to check case 1, 2, and 3, and then in case 3 it will display this 1, 2, 3, and then break. So break statement will end the switch, and then if the information could not be found on these cases, it will jump to case 4, 5, 6, and if it matches, then this will be displayed, print 4, 5, or 6, and then the switch will end it since we have to break in here. And lastly, if all the information could not be found, then the default will be displayed, which is greater than 6. So this will be the default value in case no matches can be found on all of our cases. So a little caution when using the switch. You must use which when constructing the switch this way. So modification later can lead to unexpected outcomes. So make sure you construct a switch if you want to do something like this. So this is correct. Case 1, 2, 3. If you're going to check the values for case 1, 2, and 3, then that's definitely fine. And again, the difference between if else and the switch is that the if else statement or if else statement compares one value with many values, while switch statement compares one value with many values. So we can compare something like this. So one value in num and then compares 3 values at once. So this is not possible in if else statement. So that's the difference between if else and the switch statement. And also a little reminder that switch is only valid for character and int. It doesn't work for any other data type. So basically just int data types. So that's it. So before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. Let me jump over to this tab, and I have here a little exercise for you. So I want you to fill in the blanks to test the num variable against the value 3 and 5 and 42. So I want you to print the corresponding text to the screen. So what's the missing piece of information so that this program will run? If you know the answer, please put it in the comments section below. Thank you.